Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing some more sports cards. We got Topps, Bowman, NBA 25-26. This will be the first time we have actually opened up Bowman. We've opened up Cincture, we've opened up Topps Chrome, we've opened up Topps Now, NBA Hoops. Not on the channel, but in general, we've opened them up a decent amount lately. We've just been kind of on just actually kind of bad, but we've been on a ripping spree. Opening a lot of different things. We wanted to join in, see what a lot of the hype's about. I used to open up sports as a kid. Now it's just mainly Pokemon, but we'll see what they have in store. Alright, we got Will Richard, Mikal Bridges, Barnes, Wiggins. Ooh, Much. And the Rockstar rookies. Clinton, Awaka, Nate Bite, and AJ DeBonsta. So I'm not a big fan of the base cards. Bowman Chrome is pretty much just like Topps Chrome, maybe a little less thick. We got Castle, Penda, Clay Thompson, Derek Lively, Garland, Christian Braun, Juju Watkins. Hey, you can get girls in here too? I don't think I noticed that. Burries. Ooh. Oh, we got our first number. Noah Penda. 204 to 399. That is insanely criminal. 399. I feel like they should cap it out like 199. It shouldn't go higher than that. That's just first Bowman. We got Danny Wolf, DeRozan, Clifford, Paul, Martini, ooh, Cardone. We'll put that there. Anthony Black, Fogel. Is this the girl that he was looking for? Lyle Crump? And Sarah Williams. I don't think so. There was a buddy of ours that said he started collecting WNBA cards, and I couldn't remember if it was her or not. We got Devin Booker, Boyles, Henderson, Jones, Kalkbrenner, Bandalo. It's really weird. Iguodaro, Adebayo, Bandalo again from Ole Miss, Lewis from Villanova, and Wesley Yates from Washington. I don't know if I'm a big fan of these. Ooh, Mr. Khan Knuppel. Yes, sir. Naz Reid, he had a good year this year. Cam Thomas, Amen Thompson. I feel like Spencer was, ooh, Young Kings, LeBron James. That's actually pretty sick. It's a sweet insert. I mean, it's LeBron James. It is LeBron James. Isaiah Harwell. Sadiq White. I feel like I heard of Sadiq White too. Chase Ross. I don't know. I was looking at it and I was like that. I was going to say something and then I completely forgot. What do we got here? Bazelis, Tyson, Halliburton, Meshack, Cooper, Flag. Emmanuel quickly underneath. Blue flag. Emmanuel quickly. It looks like, ooh, that could be a refractor. I think it is. Will Richard, Juju Watkins, Braden Burries, Pharrell Payne. Be sick to get a numbered con or a number flag. Kaishan George, Mobley, Austin Reeves, Paul George, Kobe White, Alexander Eschmeyer, Stanford. That's actually a sick card. Peyton Richard underneath. The way that they did that one's actually kind of a sick card. You got the outline of Stanford's logo. You got Peyton Richard, Eli Crump, Davis Fogel, AJ DeBastian from Youngstown. Oh, that's BYU. BYU, not Youngstown. Alex Sarr, Jalen Green, Chazanier, Jaquan, Aaron Wiggins. We got Ren from Purdue, Mikal Bridges, Nico Bundalo, Aiken Lewis, DeMar Jr. from UConn. I don't know if I'm a big fan of these. It'd be sick if we get an auto that pops up. Jaden Ivey, Barnes, Mark Williams, Bradley Beal, Willock. Grace Knock from LSU. Next Gen. Keaton George. It's actually pretty sick as well. Pretty sick. Oops. Card done from USC. Keaton George. We got Prawl and Saunders. Alright, 3 left. 3 left. Come on. Show me something sick. Bain, Gonzalez, Zach Levine, LaMelo Ball. Young Kings, Dirk Nowitzki. I remember watching him a lot growing up. Good old Dirk. Dirk. Javon Small, Isaiah Harwell, Sadiq White, and Sarah Williams from UConn. Come on, there's gotta be something in here. Something. Oh, all right. I saw green. I'm gonna put that to the side because I feel like that's gonna be probably our numbered, maybe an auto. So we got Jimmy Butler, Trey Johnson. Shy. Another dominant year of Shy. We got Norman Paul, Elijah Martin, Yane Hansen. That's actually a pretty sick looking card too. Chris Paul, he old. Chris Paul is old, but he's still balls. Boobie Miller, Trey Holloman, and Chase Ross. All right. We're going to make that our last card. So we got Brooks, Brian Hars, Daniel Rawl, Richie Saunders, Wesley Yates. All right, we got Drake Paul, Bronny James, Yay Hansen again, Derek Lively the second, Darius Garland. All right, where's the, can't go. Oh, it is an auto. But what, is it numbered? St. John's. Who came from St. John's? Oh, 7 of 99. That's actually sweet, though. 7 of 99. I don't even know how to pronounce the last name. I want to say Ejiofor? Ejiofor? Something like that. 7 of 99 on the first Bowman. That's sick. And it's on-card auto, too. I just wish it was someone that I actually knew. Obviously, I haven't watched basketball in a while. But that's still sick. Chrome Prospect autograph card from 25-26. That's sick. I like it. Alright, that's going to do it. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want me to pull. Until next time, y'all.